Hello and welcome to Patch It Up, your guide to software patching excellence. As we navigate through the digital world, we often come across a common yet often overlooked aspect of our digital lives: software patching. Picture this. Your digital devices are like high-performance vehicles, and software patches are the mechanics that keep them running smoothly and securely. In this video, we will delve into the importance of software patching, its best practices, and the benefits it brings. So buckle up and get ready for an insightful journey through the world of software maintenance. Let's dive in. Ever wondered why your computer or mobile device prompts you to update your software regularly? Well, it's not trying to interrupt your binge-watching session or your high-score chase. It's actually playing a vital role in maintaining the health and security of your digital environment. Just as you wouldn't ignore the flashing light on your car's dashboard indicating it's time for an oil change, you shouldn't ignore software patching. Much like a mechanic fine-tuning your car's engine, software patches fine-tune your digital systems. They seek out and fix bugs, boost performance, and reinforce security measures, making sure your software is running at peak efficiency. In the same way that regular car maintenance extends the life of your vehicle, software patching extends the lifespan of your software, keeping it secure, up-to-date, and operating smoothly. So remember, just like a well-oiled engine, your software needs regular patching to run smoothly and securely. Now that we understand why patching is essential, how do we go about it effectively? Let's dive into the best practices for patching excellence. First off, embrace a regular patching schedule. Just as you wouldn't skip your morning coffee, you shouldn't skip your software patching. Consistency in patching is key to maintaining a robust defense against potential security threats. Next, remember that not all patches are created equal. Some are the knights in shining armor, rushing to protect your software from the latest threats, while others are more like a helpful friend, improving performance and usability. Prioritize patches based on the security risks they tackle and the criticality of the systems involved. Before you roll out patches across your systems, it's crucial to test them in a controlled environment. Think of this as a dress rehearsal before the main event. By doing this, you can foresee any potential issues and mitigate them before they cause a ruckus in your live systems. Now let's talk automation. In an era where we can program machines to make coffee for us, it only makes sense to utilize automation for patching. It can streamline the patching process, ensuring patches are deployed promptly and efficiently. Then comes documentation. Documenting your patching processes is like creating a map of your journey. It helps you understand what was done and serves as a compass for future troubleshooting. Last, but certainly not least, educate your team on the importance of patching and how to execute it effectively. Knowledge is power, and in this case, knowledge is also the first line of defense against security threats. Remember, patching is not a one-time event, but a continuous process that requires consistency, priority, testing, automation, documentation, and education. It's like maintaining a well-oiled machine, keeping it running smoothly and securely, ready to take on whatever the digital world throws at it. And that, my friends, is how you patch it up like a pro. So what does all this patching get us? Well, let's get into it. Picture patching as the secret sauce to a well-oiled software machine. It's the guardian that shields your digital domain from potential security threats, making sure the bad guys stay out. But it's not all about defense. Patching also plays offense by enhancing software performance. This means smoother operations, fewer hiccups, and an overall more pleasant user experience. And remember, patching is not a one-off event. It's an ongoing commitment to excellence. Regular and effective patching is a sign of a healthy, thriving digital environment. It's like giving your software a regular health check, ensuring it's in top form to perform at its best. With these patching best practices, you're on your way to a more secure and efficient digital environment. Patch it up and keep your digital domains robust and reliable. All right, we've come a long way, folks. Let's quickly recap what we've learned. Patching, it's not just a chore. It's an absolute necessity for a secure and efficient digital environment. We've dived into the importance of software patching, It's the knight in shining armor keeping those pesky cyber threats at bay. We've also looked into patching best practices. Remember, it's not a one-and-done deal, but a continuous process, akin to giving your software regular health checks. And of course, we've delved into the benefits of patching. Think of it as the secret sauce to a well-oiled software machine, enhancing performance and ensuring a smoother, more enjoyable user experience. So there you have it. Keep patching, folks. It's the key to a robust, reliable digital world. Until next time, happy patching.